takeover, yeah, boy, crazy. He ain't never in the tow truck. He ain't never. Hey, yo, acting bad. Young motherfucker acting bad, bro. Oh no, that's old motherfuckers too. They ain't got the bus been waiting for them that 30, 40 minutes. The bus just sitting there waiting like a motherfucker. That's why motherfucker bus be delayed. Oh, I'm not for people talking about it. So when I walk away, y'all want to do some shit and shit. Oh, that just sounds good over there. they doing for real. Come on, stop spraying that shit, man. They got the drone. 12. Alright, I'm out. Got to go. They acting bad. They acting bad. I'm in the Avalon, y'all. Let's see if I can keep up. Cool, man. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy V8 Macho with another one. Yeah, I'm dropping these back to back, man. I'm trying to drop back to back. Anyway, I got the Avalon. Really don't want it. Not for real, too many miles, man. 200-some thousand miles. Don't judge me. Anyway, I was talking to this mechanic, you know, trying to do my due diligence on trying to see if I could put a motor in the Grand Marquis. And they was telling me for P71 motor, Crown Vic motor 5.0. Not even the 5.0, the one in I think it's a 5.0, whatever. They wanted $2, 2 stacks for the motor and 2 stacks to pull it in. Damn, you know, like damn. I mean, it ain't possible. It's possible, but I don't know if I want to do that for that though, honestly. I ain't got no motivation for that car for real. And I ain't gonna get rid of it. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So, out here looking for something else. I'll probably grab like 2 more cars. I don't know. I want to grab something that need a trans because I want to learn how to put the trans in the car. If I learn how to put the trans in the car, it's up there, like real life up there. So, trying to figure it out. Right now I'm out here in O'Hare. I'll probably try to find a couple cars out here, see if there's something out here while I'm out here, because the traffic is crazy right now. So, yeah, that's it for right now, man. Back at it, man. Y'all already know about this one. And it's another one I just went and got. Recording because I want to show y'all how I transform them, man. Well, I ain't gonna tell you how much I paid for them yet. I'm gonna wait till I do what I do, and then I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for them out there. But within 48 hours, it's gonna look a little different. Came just like this. This one need a flex pipe. I'm probably gonna get that fixed and a tune up. That one just need a tune up oil change. This one got like 160 on the dash. That one got like 230. Yeah, just showing y'all right now what's going on. I'm gonna start working on them. Try to flip my profit. Let's go on you the other side. Y'all know my baby up there. She just up there right now. Just hurt. She will sit down right now.
Look, heavy outside in the trenches. I'm back bipping on lane. T34 with a Chris vacuum and I'm something like a barber. I'll give him a fade. Look, I ain't talking you got served. I'll spend shit in the rain. Last nigga this my side, well using his head, so we got to spill in his brain. Yeah, I been feeling deranged. I get him in range, that 9 mil hit him in bang. Ain't got a truck, shoot something so big. If he drop it, the pin, this hit a grenade. Feel like we spinning the tank, hop in it like ain't. I'm trying to put him in pain. His mama be feeling the pain. He left on the pavement, turned to a zip and he stain. Dumb nigga hit in his face. I love my G21, feel a clip and it quake. Nigga flip sides, then we flip the clip in the cake. Slide through, hit him with Drakes. Look, one of my brother be scared.
What's up, YouTube, man? I'm in here, can't sleep. It's like 3 in the morning. I was trying to post, and the string up off me. Get the string up off me. Anyway, I was trying to post YouTube and on BS with me, man. I finally get a video that's me to reach almost a million views, and now y'all don't BS with me. So why not just get out here and record? I don't know if y'all can hit a car right now, but I'm in the Avalon. And it's making this weird sound, like very weird sound, like something rattling. I don't know if that's under the car, a motor, but like when you hit the gas, you don't hear it. When you let it go, you hear it. See, come on. You hear that? And you smell it burning oil. You smell it strong. So you said it needed a tune-up though. It's 230,000 miles on here, so that's a lot of miles. It's a lot, man. I don't even know why I grabbed this car out for real. Like a lot of miles, all type of stuff, but I got it, so I can't cry about it now. Finally got me a little, tripod, me a little, so, and you see all the lights on the dashboard. Look at all the lights on that dashboard, man. So I'm gonna go to the favorite place to be. Y'all know my favorite place. Well, not my favorite place, but y'all know I got to go get my coffee. That's the Mitsubishi right there. And I'll get some gas, y'all. Y'all hear that? That's whining. Right, smooth though. For real, but it do a little revving, like I can need to tune up. It do. Hold on. Past where I messed my red Mustang up. Just felt like, why not do some content, man? See if I can shoot it. Stop following that gas. See them lights up there. Is he going to make the light? Nah, I'm gonna stop. It's 12, motherfucker. I gotta make it. Ooh, I ran it. Ooh. Y'all ain't see nothing. Shut up. Yeah, I might put some nails on. I want to go put it. I want to go put a tent on this day. Anything I'm riding in gotta have a tent. I don't even care. I don't care what's wrong with it. If it's running and I'm riding it, it's gotta have a tent.
So like, no need, you know. Then I need to put radio in, like, I'm right side of the street. So, hope you got my coffee in here, man. Hope you got my coffee. Please have my coffee. Drive with the knee. What side is on the left side? I got this side locked. Oh, man. You on that bullshit tonight, y'all. I really feel it. You on that bullshit tonight. I can feel it. I feel it. You can do a fish walk around the Yoda. Don't look at my license plate. So y'all talking about that dent, ugly. And then it's not like white like the truck. It's off white. I don't even like that. I can't let y'all see the plate because I'll be riding this for a minute. Yeah. Fish walk around. Let's go to this gas station and see how he bumming. Let's see how he bumming, man. Oh, look, it's locked. Look, it's locked. Alright, it's locked. Man. On that bullshit. I'm the only motherfucker that be up at this time to be out this time, man. Except for like, yo. Nah, he fucking with me. He fucking with me. He fucking with me. He fucking with me. What's up, man? What's up? Let me get 20 on the white car. Good news is, got my coffee. Got my coffee. Hot. Got the coffee, y'all. It's gonna be a good day. I told y'all it's gonna be a good day when they got the coffee, man. Good day when they got the coffee, man. It's a good day, man. Try to post some. Try to drop some soon. After I do some of these cars. Try to find me some friends, man. I need to find me some friends, somebody just keep a string with. And man, that's it for right now, man. That's it for right now. Easy, baby. Barely see it, my screen fucking up. Y'all know that it's 80. Riding that bit. Riding that bit. Hook, get over, hook. Right in bed. You know, I don't never catch nothing. I'm gonna catch something today. Look at this. Look at that thing. It's that Audi thing. That thing nasty. Been asleep. Try to see if I can catch him. Yeah, alright, catch him. All these things. That's not. That's nice. So yeah, I ain't been asleep. Just out here. I I gotta tell you about this one, man. I paid $400 for this car, man. I don't know why I did it, but it's all type of stuff going on with it. So I guess I'm gonna learn how to work on cars with this one, man. Man. Like, y'all don't understand. It's like, I just had to say this one for a whole nother video, man. There's so many problems and the things to name with this. But she here to stay, so y'all gonna see more of them. Just, $400, that's all I'm gonna say, $400. It's the Mitsubishi. I like her, I ain't gonna need you lie, I like her, I ain't even really drove or none of that. And the Toyota. So right now, I posed when they got some rims. I bought a 14-inch TV radio. I don't know what I'm gonna put it in though. But I'm finna go see another car, man. So this is gonna be car number 6. Let y'all know when I get there, man, when I get it.
Well, it was a blank. I drove an hour to see Dodge Intrepid. I always like Dodge Intrepid, so I drove an hour to see a Dodge Intrepid, and it was all type of shit going on. Like, it was revving, like somebody was hitting the gas, and it started smoking, and it started leaking. Luckily, I sat there and waited and let it, you know what I'm saying, warm up. It's gonna overheat. So I don't know if I'm gonna grab another car. I'm just trying to see what's gonna happen.
So yeah, I ain't been asleep. Just out here. I gotta tell you about this one, man. I paid $400 for this car, man. I don't know why I did it, but it's all type of stuff going on with it. So I guess I'm gonna learn how to work on cars with this one, man. Man. Like,